Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
Start by gathering everything you need. You'll save time. You must have the original proof of purchase and the iPad serial or IMEI visible. If you're not the original owner, get written permission from them. Apple requires authorization. Once done, check whether the device is linked to an Apple ID by turning it on and observing the lock screen text. Make sure you're ready to contact the original owner or Apple support with those documents to begin the legitimate removal process. Now proceed with removal through the lawful channels. If you can reach the original owner, have them sign in to iCloud. Open Find My, select the iPad and choose Remove from Account. That action clears activation lock remotely. If the owner can't do it, gather your proof of purchase and proof of identity so Apple support can verify ownership. Make sure to explain the chain of custody and provide timestamps. Thorough documentation speeds verification. Finish by contacting Apple support to request activation lock removal. You'll present proof of purchase, a photo of the device's serial/IMEI, and your ID. Apple will open a support case and verify ownership before removing the lock. Once Apple confirms, they'll instruct you on next steps to restore or reactivate the iPad. If the request is denied, make sure your documents match the original purchase exactly and ask for escalation. Keep records of every communication to resolve discrepancies quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.